Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is INDOMIE and I'll be doing one of my variations on noodles today. As you guys know, I don't like spaghetti, so I made spaghetti for the other, and then we're going to make noodles for myself. So I'm using the Oriental fried noodle pack, the standard pack today. It's been a while I saw it in the store, so when I saw it, I just picked it up. So I just parboiled it a little, but because I'm going to fry it, I didn't really want it to get soggy, so that when it drops in the caramelized onion and everything, it doesn't break totally. So I'm going to use a little bit of groundnut oil that I already used to fry chicken earlier, so that I can also get that flavor as well. Guys, I'm so sorry. When I was doing this video, I was so sure that the light was on point, and then when I was done, light was terrible, and I'd done like 3 different meals, so I was exhausted. I couldn't just redo it. Please just manage. It's noodles. So okay, so the first thing I did was pour my groundnut oil and then curry, onions, sausages, peppers. Basically, I just divided everything I cut into two. I'm gonna fry the first, pour the noodles, and then fry the remaining batter together. So I'm going to add the sauce packet from the fried oriental noodle standard pack. I used soy sauce as well, just for that extra. Just sometimes you just want to elevate your noodles, like you just want to elevate your noodles. You don't just want to drop it in water and eat your onions. So that's basically what it's here. Fried peppers, onions, soy sauce, half of the sauce packet, just because the sausages are salty. Um, the soy sauce is a bit flavored as well, so you don't want the noodles to end up being overspiced. So I'm pouring in our hard boiled noodles now, and because I let everything really fry, so that I can just get that caramelized feel on the noodles as well, so that it doesn't cook. We don't want it to cook again. It's fried noodles, and if it cooks anymore, it's going to be soggy. So all you want to do is just mix this, and make sure that everything incorporates nicely. So I'm pouring in the rest. As I said earlier, I just separated it into two. The sausages were already fried, so there's no need to refry them. So I'm just going to mix this, and also because I like crispy onions, so I don't pour my onions all at once, whether I'm doing fried noodles or super boiled noodles. So as I said earlier, guys, I'm so sorry about the lighting. I'm so sorry. Then I added spring onions, the green part, much later. So this goes in at the end. You can do this in whatever format you like, but this is just the format I went with today because I was lazy, I was hungry, and I was tired. So, but I also wanted to eat something colorful. You know, when you cook all day for people, so let the food you're eating to be nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Super easy, and super colorful. See what this light robbed me of. See how good this looks. So yes, this noodle was totally divine. Please subscribe.